How to fix Anime Vanguard TinyTask delay problem. So if you want to fix Anime Vanguard's TinyTask delay problem, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection because it's caused by your connectivity issue. So the very first thing that I'm going to be suggesting you is simply head over to a new tab and then search in there for speed test. So you can search for speedtest.net and then just click on go, and you're going to be simply checking out your ISP or the internet service provider, or whether your router is working perfectly fine or not. You can click on go and you'll be able to realize that we can see the ping. So you're going to be focusing on the speed. So if it's perfectly fine, or if it's working perfectly fine, then there might be no issues with the internet connection. But if you're still facing any type of delays, that could be the client side. Maybe the servers are down. You can try that out. You can see that you can open up your control panel, check your network connection, and then you will have an idea whether it is working fine. So you can open up your control panel at first. From the control panel, you can go with Network and Sharing Center. And here you can go with your network. And from the network, you can right click on it and you will have the properties section. So click on your Wi-Fi and then you can go with properties, which is right here. Under properties, you need to select protocol version 4, Internet Protocol version 4. Again, go with the properties. So you can see that we have the configurations right here that you can prefer. So you can go with either 8.8.8.8. Right here under use the following DNS server address, click on this option and then you can enter 8888, and on the bottom you can go with 8484. After that, go with OK, and now your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.